Looking for a reliable family vehicle? Check out this 2017 Toyota Sienna L minivan. This local trade-in has lived in Georgia its whole life and comes with a solid dealer service history. Recent service, valued at over $525, includes spark plugs, a pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil and filter change. Plus, it has current Georgia state emissions, so it's ready to hit the road. As a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by a Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, along with a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price at the time of sale. You can also ask about upgrading to our lifetime warranty option at the time of purchase. We pride ourselves on transparency. Request a recent computer scan to see a clean bill of health. Our photos show all 8 of 8 monitors passing with no trouble codes or dash lights. We also encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, including the warranty and service plan. Don't miss out on this well-maintained Toyota Sienna. Come see it today.